Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In this guide, we will show you how you can mute and unmute notifications for a particular app from the lock screen. You will also learn how you can mute notifications for a particular person temporarily. iOS has a useful feature that lets you quickly mute a particular app's alerts temporarily without stopping other apps from sending notifications. This feature is super useful in situations where you are constantly getting alerts from an app and you no longer wish to be disturbed by it. To mute an app's notifications, simply find its alert on the lock screen and swipe left on the notification. When you do this, you will get access to the Options button. Tap on it. On the Options menu, you will get options that will let you mute the app for 1 hour or mute it for the whole day. If the notification belongs to the Messages app, then you will get the ability to mute the notification for a particular contact, so you can only mute alerts from that person and not for the whole Messages app. If you wish to unmute notifications after some time, then you can repeat these steps. Just swipe left on the alert, tap on Options, and then select the Unmute option. This is how you can easily mute and unmute alerts for particular apps or contacts on your iPhone. If you found this tip helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.